Hi, my name's Katie and I work at DB Pixel House. Today is National Bring Your Dog to Work Day, which is organised by the company Hound. The day supports two different charities, All Dogs Matter, which is a London-based rescue and rehoming charity, and Animals Asia, which is working hard to end the barbaric practice of bear bile farming.
Hi, I'm Sinead. This is Otto. He's a 1-year-old Springer and he loves his toy dinosaur.
Hi there, I'm Joe from DB Pixel House and this is my dog Dal. She really loves her teddy.
This is Joe. He's a 2-year-old rescue greyhound and he loves sofas and squirrels.
Hi, my name's Callum and this is Petra and she can walk herself.
We've already donated loads of money as a company and everyone who's bringing in a dog is also donating a little bit extra. But if you want to help out, you can donate on the Hound website or use the link below.